but he just got out of prison and he want to find some love. So, inmate, there he go, y'all. He go to inmate. He just got out of prison.
It's crazy you called him inmate coming out, bro. Hey, man, y'all put y'all cash up in the comments. Y'all know how to do. Also, if y'all want to join the $1,000 giveaway, the next one will be going down October 22nd. You don't want to miss it. So all you got to do is subscribe to the channel and go follow me on Instagram to do it. I will be doing it live like we did the one last night. Miss Kim L actually won it. So if you was on the live, you actually saw her won her $1,000. It was awesome. I love doing the $1,000 giveaways, man. And like I said, they'll get bigger as I get bigger. As I get more money, obviously. But I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long. Let's get into the video, fam. He grabbed a blit. Yeah, that's crazy. He mad. He real mad, bro. Like, I ain't never seen nobody get that mad to where they had to go grab a blit. That's crazy.
All right, so what's up, man? It's your boy Chaotic, and right now we about to do the balloon pop to see if I can find these beautiful, lovely ladies the perfect match, because y'all know I'm the matchmaker. So I got the guys in the back, and I'm finna let the guys come out and see if y'all ready. If y'all gonna pop them balloons like y'all pop that, or y'all just gonna, you heard me? We gonna see what's going on. But what I wanna know is, will all y'all let me hit every last one of y'all back to back to back to tell y'all who got the best cat? Okay, that's right. Right.
Hey, that's crazy. That's a crazy thing to ask, bro. Bro, he wild for that, bro. What you think they gonna say, bro?
Wait, oh my God. Why was y'all? I was just playing. I was just playing. I was just playing. Yo, man, we about to. Okay. Check it out. Hey, let me get some more balloons. Get back in line. Wait, ladies, get back in line. Let me get y'all more balloons, and we finna get this thing popping. We finna get this thing popping right now. Let's go. All right, ladies, are y'all ready for y'all first match? Okay. All right, so our first match, he is A&R from. Yeah, he is an A&R from. His daddy is a big-time producer and songwriter. Wrote songs for Chris Brown, Jagged Edge, all type of people. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to bring him out right now. His name is P.Y. P.Y., where you at, P.Y.? There go P.Y., y'all. This shit is a shootout. What the?
Wait, hold up. Let's peep what she got on. What the? Oh, she got the fuzzy slip. Lord, what does she got on, bro? Like, she definitely ain't got no. Look at this, bro. She definitely ain't got no friends. Like, what the fuzzies on? Guys, come on, man. Guys, tell me, come on, bro. What she got on, bro? Lord.
Wait. Hey, wait. What the? Wait. Oh my God. Now you saw what she did. She popped her balloon. Wait. Everybody be quiet. Hold on. Everybody be quiet. Now you popped her balloon. That was a little bit mad. Now PY, come on, PY. Come here, PY. Wait. Everybody, let's let the. Now, why did you pop your balloon on him?
You see how tall I am?
You got anything you want to say to everyone? Okay. Why did you pop your balloon on him?
I wasn't expecting the church shoes. He about to take me to church. Expecting the church shoes. He about to take me to church.
Hold on, ladies, wait. You said expecting or expecting?
Expecting.
You got anything you want to say?
Look, she can't even speak, but let's see what my boy got on. First of all, my guy is clean. That's just a style. You feel me? Like some people rock that style. They put on the church shoe. Some of them throw the white tee on with it. You feel me? He got the crease pants, little old school style, but still clean with the chain. He's also an A&R. He got a lot of plugs in the industry, and he's successful. Now, she has no room to talk about what anyone got on. No way. Bro, you out of there.
Okay, so well, she popped. Okay, wait.
We going to revival.
Oh God, step up. She popped your balloon, but wait.
Why you sizing me like that, though? Why you sizing me like that? Oh.
Okay, wait. You didn't pop your balloon. She popped your balloon, so you was gonna keep your balloon. So do you? Hold on. Do you want to keep your balloon?
Well, I was thinking about it.
Hold on, wait, everybody be quiet.
Look, you see how the snow bunny, see, that's why, bro, this is why a lot of snow bunnies be ending up with y'all men, black females. This is why, because she still want her balloon. The black girl went and popped her balloon. You feel me? Because she ain't looking at what they looking at. I don't know. Look at her. She talking. The one with the worst outfit on. She's sitting up here trying to convince the girl not to do it. Look at this. Bro, single women keep women single, bro. I'm telling you.
Wait. When somebody talking, when somebody talking, y'all be quiet. Have respect for this young lady. She want to express herself. So what was you saying?
I think I would have popped my balloon if she hadn't. I was about to. I was thinking about it. I like his fit. I like it.
I don't like yours. The feet.
I sprained my ankle.
Feet.
Wow. And she was the one who do you in. Why did you pop your balloon?
He too sassy for me. I was going to keep it cute for you, but you keep sizing me. I'm not from here, so I'm not feeling that. So I'm...
Come on here.
I was looking at you as cute. I thought she was cute. I thought she was a. Nah, I was just really checking it.
I like your shirt. I don't like your shoes, but I like everything else, though. That's why, though. That's the only thing. I wasn't even...
got that taste yet. You ain't there yet. It's cool. You'll get there one day.
I don't need to be, baby.
That's a California thing, though. That's a California swag. You'll see dudes on a block white tee with the shoes on. Like it's culture, bro. The culture is different in different places, but I think the fit fresh. You feel me? I won't wear no church shoe. That ain't mine. This one ain't wear the style. You feel me? But I think it. You feel me? It's fly.
Okay, wait.
I know you not talking.
Okay, wait. Well, hold on.
Shit. I'm on your shit. Damn. I'm on her shit.
I'm gonna let you walk up to the girls and ask them why.
Yeah, why you pop your balloon? Why you pop your balloon?
It's giving bro for real. Like you funny. It was Princess Fairy first, but then you switch it up. You switched it up and you came with the jokes, and I thought that was funny. So it's just giving bro for real.
Okay.
Don't do that.
It's giving.
It's giving.
Trying to be too hipster, like trying to dress too fly, but it didn't work.
We going on YouTube.
Yeah. No, I don't. I think that shit dusty.
Was your fit.
That shit dusty. I'm fly as
Are you
fuck.
crazy? Your beard got spots in it. Are you dumb? What are you talking about?
Look at your chain, cuz. Look at that shit.
Look at it.
That shit trash.
What happened?
What happened, sister?
Anything.
What happened, sister?
Dusty.
What happened, sister?
Dusty.
Sister?
Doodle mama.
Okay, wait. Order.
Yeah, that whole fit need to go in the trash. Yeah, she need to go somewhere, bro. Like, why females like this? Bro, that is trash. You don't have no room to talk about nobody's outfit. That's trash.
Wait, be quiet. Hold on. Wait. All right, that's it. Wait.
You can't do it to me.
I'm not sassy. I just know I'm not. You are sassy. It's cool. Next.
You need a whole new get up. Like you look bad. Like you look bad.
Come on now. Cause these people got to get their turn to talk their stuff. Why did you pop the balloon on him?
I'm going to be honest. I just felt like you couldn't handle my moose knuckle.
Think I'm gonna
Yeah.
think I'm gonna go post this up.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what you think?
Oh.
Oh, fold your ass up. Like, what? That's why? That's so funny. Okay, yeah. That's cool.
Why did you pop your balloon?
When you walk, I don't know, like when you walked out, you feel like you got a little ass dick. Like I with 9 to 10 inches and your shit, like I don't know, like ain't shit hanging or I don't know. You got a little ass dick and then you look like a cheater and a liar, and I definitely before. And
It's crazy because you know what? When my wife first met me, you feel me? I put that 200 stroke on it. You hear me? And she said afterwards, she told me, she said, I thought when I met you, you had a small pee-pee. That's what she said. But she said, you surprised me. I'm like, huh? So us as guys, we look like our thing small. Like, cause that's what my wife told me. She said, you look like it would. I thought it was going to be small. I'm telling you, bro, y'all can't be going by what y'all look. Y'all got experience before y'all judge it. You feel what I'm saying? And now look, she married. You feel me? And then she was the one who told me she loved me like the second day. It took me a while. It's hard for me to say I love someone. It took me a long time, like the second day. You feel me? I met her. Come on, bro.
you look like you one of them scammers too.
You got nothing to say? Oh my God. Oh God. Whoa. Wait. What? Wait. Hold on, y'all. Okay, wait, y'all. Wait. Shh. Okay, I understand. Okay. Just to go. Oh my God. What? Jesus Christ.
That shit crazy.
That shit was, okay. Can I? Okay, we get some more balloons blown up. Why did you pop your balloon?
Okay, I got 3 reasons. Number 1.
Hold on, y'all. She got 3 reasons. Come on.
All right. Number 1.
Wait.
The shoes. Number 2. That boy got stretchy pants. That boy got stretchy pants. And I don't know, but it look like a tambourine player to me. And they're my 3 reasons. You got something to say to me?
Hey, does that mean he look fruity? She said look like a tambourine. That was kind of funny. I ain't gonna lie, but does that mean he look kind of fruity? I think that's what she was going with that.
Oh my God. Wow.
How people that look so bad can be so judgmental.
Talking about you, little boy, you look the worst out of
Well,
everybody.
hold on. I'm gonna have to get a zoom up on him because he might be kind of fruity. Because he did do his hand. He said it seemed like the people who look the worst. I ain't gonna lie, brother. What? Hey, she pointed something out, bro. I think Buddy might look. You see that? You see that pose? I don't know, but Buddy might be fruity, bro.
Wow.
How people that look so bad can be so judgmental.
Talking about you, little boy, you look the
Oh,
worst.
that was fruity. That was real fruity, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She pointed it out, bro.
Out of everybody, dog, dead serious. Like, I wouldn't have did them, G. My lip rings, boy, you don't see nothing on the lip rings. And I know that shit fake. A&R, you ain't no goddamn A&R. We ain't never heard of you. What you talking about? Like, get the fuck out
Okay, wait, y'all.
I just asked you, did you have something to say? You said no.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Say it with your chest then.
Just say no.
What else do you have to say?
He got it. Okay, you know what? Let's go to the next person. Y'all. Why? Okay, why did you?
Not even gonna lie, they doing dude dirty. He ain't even got no comebacks, bro. I would have a field day with this lineup for an hour straight. It's so much you can get on them. You can start at the top of the line and get on every, bro. Look at the last one. Come on, bro. Bro, I could get, bro, the whole lineup with him. He can't do it though. They going crazy on him, bro.
Okay, hello y'all. Wait, y'all. Wait 1 second. Why did you pop your balloon?
I ain't gonna lie, I had to pop my balloon. One, the shirt is see-through. Two, I want something I could climb on top of. We the same height.
That's fine.
He said that's fine. Okay. Why did you pop your balloon?
And so he's giving me bad one. Two, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", and he's like what, 5'2"? That's like a taller to me. So no disrespect. But yeah, and then like now he doing all that.
Whoa!
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hey, I think they might be right, bro. They might be right, bro. Let's go back.
That's fine.
He said that's fine. Okay. Why did you pop your balloon?
And so he's giving me bad one. Two, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", and he's like what, 5'2"? That's like a taller to me. So no disrespect. But yeah, and then like now he doing all that.
Bro, I can't even help dude, bro. I'm sorry. I can't help him, bro. He done for, bro. That last move is over with, bro. Like, yo, bro, I can't help him out, man. I can't help him, bro. I wish I could just go to that lineup. I could. I'm telling you, I would roast the whole lineup. I'm talking about effortlessly. So easy.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah!
Bitch, y'all on the phone better than all these hoes, guys. Come on, stop it.
Wait. Wait, y'all, hold on. Do the girl on the phone got anything to say?
Bro, they all laughing at me. You gonna call a girl? Why they all laughing at you? That's gonna make your girl leave you. For real. He shouldn't have got his girl in that. Well, if that's a girl or not, we don't even know, bro.
Okay, y'all. So y'all say bye to PY. Y'all tell bye PY bye. Come on, PY.
Why you making this?
PY, no, you did good. No, you did good. I thought you would go there. That's PY, y'all.
All right, quiet.
Yo. Quiet. Now listen, y'all. Golly. Give him some more balloons. I would have been, y'all got me scared. You know what? I'm going to come out last. I'm going to do a balloon pop with y'all last. And I want to see if y'all going to do me like that. I want to see how y'all going to do me, because I ain't going. No, girl, listen. I didn't skip you. It was over with after he did the FaceTime. It was over. I mean, when that boy held out the phone and said, I'm doing a 20v1 on y'all. And he licked his lips. He did like this. He did like this. He said, I'm doing a 20v1 right now. All right, so y'all ready for the next guy? All right, let me get the next guy on y'all. All right, ladies. Get it together. All right, ladies. So the next guy, so listen, ladies. The next guy that I got, he just got out of prison. He just got out of prison. Hold on now, listen, y'all. He just got out of prison, but you know he got his life back together.
How long was he in there?
And I'm gonna let him tell y'all. But this my boy. He just got out of prison. I ain't gonna tell y'all what he was in there for. You know what I'm saying? He'll tell y'all what he was in there for. But he just got out of prison and he wanted to find some love. So My boy, where you at, bro? Come on. Inmate. There he go, y'all. He go to inmate. He just got out of prison. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, bro, chill, bro. No, you can't do that. No, it's a balloon pop, bro. Chill out, bro. It's a balloon pop. No, it's a balloon pop, bro. Chill, go in the back, bro. Bro, yo, man. I told y'all the man just got out of prison, bro. Chill, man. If I'm telling y'all the man just got out of prison, why would y'all pop all the balloons like that?
They stupid, man. But hey, tell me what y'all think about that video in the comments, man. See you guys next video. Always remember, be safe out there, kings and queens. Let's get it.